Hello and welcome to today's walk. Today we are back at Six Flags, this time to try a new food item that we have not tried before at Food Etc. So join us on today's walk. Let's go. All right, so we are back at Food Etc. to try. We've never tried this, and that's the carne asada quesadilla. And it was like the hot item everybody was ordering, so it took me a while to get it. But they give you a little thing of sour cream and a small little thing of salsa. I'm sure you could ask for more, but little salsa and sour cream. And I'm gonna try it without the condiments yet. But here's the carne asada quesadilla at Food Etc. That's pretty good. See how hot the salsa is, or it's like a mild, nothing special about the salsa, but the quesadilla is pretty good. You can't go wrong there. They have the new bowls that they have. They have the tacos, which are one of our favorites. And this quesadilla is pretty good. So, what do I give this? Well, let me try it with the sour cream. Solid 4. Solid 4. Really good. Comes with some chips. There goes Superman. But I would rather have it with some pico de gallo instead than that salsa. But I mean, it's good. The carne asada has good flavor. It's good. The quesadilla has lots of cheese, and like I said, it comes with some chips. So you can do it with the salsa. Yep, solid 4 out of 5. So that's the carne asada quesadilla at Food Etc. So give it a try. It was good. So that's another today's walk food review here at Magic Mountain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And for those of you that haven't subscribed, come on, you can subscribe, give us a little help, and we'll see you next time on today's walk. Bye.